Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to make Spanakopita. Let's go. And today I'm going to show you two versions of how I'm going to make this. We are basically going to use phyllo pastry. We're going to make sure we have our olive oil in a little bowl, easily accessible for us to put onto our pastry. And we're going to have our spinach, which I already mixed in my feta. Of course, we're doing it my way. So I added my favorite seasonings, which is bandanya and pimento peppers. Let's get cracking. So you need to know that phyllo pastry actually does not have any fat in it. So lightly brush on your oil, or you can even use butter. And this, when put into the oven in layers with that oil or butter in between, it gives that bomb of a crunch in a mouthful. And for my first method, I'm only using 2 sheets, and I'm going to fill it and roll it into a tube. FYI, Spanakopita is a Greek cuisine. It's savory because it has feta cheese in it and spinach in it. But I wonder if you knew this, it actually originated from the Turkish cuisine. There you go. And you will see I am now adding my spinach to it, and you're wondering, why am I doing it diagonal? Well, using this technique makes it easier for us to make rolls, and there you go. Now you'll notice that each layer I'm making sure that it has oil or butter in it. So that is going to ensure that flakiness throughout. And now we have made our Spanakopita log. But this is not where we are going to end, because here is the fun part. We are going to make it into a roll. Just take your time. It's going to form smoothly, because why? We started off with a diagonal. That was the secret. And I'm going to slip it into my oven 450 degrees for approximately 20 minutes. And my second method will be making it into a tray. And this is fairly simple, as we are going to lay our sheet, oil it again in between each layer, crumble it, fill our spinach into it, layer it again with our phyllo dough, fill it again, layer it again. Our top must be with our phyllo, and we're just going to slightly kiss it with some oil or butter. Oh boy, and that aroma in this kitchen is amazing. I'm gonna get the family involved. Let's get them on the table. Time to eat. Meet you in the next video.